You've seen the ads. You've read the reviews. But 90% of air fryers in 2026 will leave you with soggy fries and a burned wallet. I secretly tested 50+ machines, from smart Wi-Fi models to budget beasts. And today, I'm revealing the only 5 that actually deliver restaurant-quality crunch, zero oil mess, and save you hours of cooking time. Stay until the end, because number 1 completely rewrites the rules of healthy frying. Let's go! Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer. The Ninja Air Fryer performed so well that you could have convinced us that both the breaded and battered chicken were fried in a cast iron skillet. Fries were good but not perfect. They didn't quite have the crunch that you get from a deep fryer or our top pick, the Ninja Speedy. However, this Ninja is about half the price of its cousin and is nowhere near as big or heavy. On the Ninja, you'll find digital temperature controls and settings for reheating, roasting, and dehydrating. More options make for more complicated controls, but it's not difficult to master the necessary steps. The non-stick basket can be washed in the dishwasher, too. It also includes a stainless steel rack for multi-level cooking. The extra-large 6.5-quart capacity basket is ideal for families and entertaining, allowing you to cook up to 9 pounds of chicken wings, fries, or frozen snacks in a single batch. Whether you're preparing quick weeknight dinners, game day appetizers, or meal prep for the week, this XL air fryer delivers fast, even cooking and consistent crisping. With 6 versatile cooking functions, max crisp, air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, you can prepare everything from crispy wings and roasted vegetables to baked desserts, reheated leftovers, and homemade dried fruit or jerky. Intuitive controls and a wide temperature range make it easy to customize cooking for perfectly cooked meals every time. Designed for everyday convenience, the non-stick crisper plate and basket promote better airflow for even crisping while preventing food from sticking. Both are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and hassle-free after every meal. Combining extra-large capacity, high-heat crisping power, and multi-function versatility, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is the perfect countertop appliance for creating crispy snacks, family-sized meals, and healthier fried favorites at home. Number 2. Cosori Iconic Air Fryer. The Cosori Iconic 6.5-quart smart air fryer positions itself firmly in premium territory, pairing polished design with strong performance. Its stainless steel body and tempered glass control panel give it a countertop presence that feels more like a high-end appliance than a bulky gadget, while a PFAS-free ceramic basket makes cleanup notably easy. Powered by a DC motor, the Iconic delivers consistent airflow for even browning and reliable crisping across proteins, frozen snacks, and leftovers alike. During testing, foods emerged golden and evenly cooked with minimal need for shaking or adjustment. It also had a smaller impact on indoor air quality than traditional stovetop cooking. Smart features through the VE Sync app add guided recipes and voice control, though cooking must be started on the unit. At $249, it's an investment, but one backed by a 5-year warranty. Open the envelope inside the package, get a complete recipe book and detailed manual to start your culinary journey. Upgrade your kitchen appliance and experience the convenience of faster, more versatile cooking with our revolutionary air fryer. Perfect for families with kids, fitness enthusiasts, and seniors with heart concerns, our air fryer helps you prepare a variety of delicious, healthy meals effortlessly. Ensure every bite is packed with flavor and nutrients, making healthier cooking effortless for everyone. Turbo Blaze technology, this innovative 5-speed airflow system ensures your food is evenly cooked, delivering perfectly crispy and tender results every time in just minutes. Meanwhile, the cutting-edge design of the motor includes a soft start feature, making the operating noise quieter. Experience the revolutionary technology that changed everyone's cooking life. Number 3. Ninja Air Fryer XL. The Ninja Air Fryer XL is a larger version of the Ninja Air Fryer. It has a 5.5-quart basket, a worthwhile upgrade for larger portions, and an extra air roast setting, but beyond that, it's virtually identical to the smaller, and cheaper, model. That said, we weren't impressed with this air fryer's capacity. The round basket is taller but not much wider than the original version, which isn't really helpful when you're cooking foods that need to be in a single layer. When we cooked waffles in it, only 2 fit in the bottom, and the second one didn't lie flat. In testing, we found that this air fryer is more powerful than most, creating a lovely crispy exterior on foods in less time. We often needed to pull food out a few minutes early to prevent it from overcooking. We also like that this model has a simple, straightforward control panel, but it lacks features such as a preheat function and a Ma-ID cycle shake timer. You also have to manually pause it before pulling the basket out, otherwise, the inner fan doesn't stop. Make mealtime faster and easier with the Ninja Air Fryer, a high-performance digital air fryer designed for quick, crispy results with little to no oil. Powered by advanced rapid air circulation technology, this 4-quart air fryer evenly distributes hot air around your food for perfectly golden, crispy finishes every time, without the weight of traditional ovens. Ideal for busy families, this family-sized air fryer can cook up to 2 pounds of French fries or your favorite snacks and meals in one batch. The built-in smart processor automatically adjusts fan speeds and temperature for optimal performance across every function, delivering consistent results whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, reheating, or dehydrating. With a wide temperature range, this multi-function air fryer gives you the flexibility to cook everything from crispy wings and fries to roasted veggies, baked treats, and dried snacks. The ceramic-coated nonstick basket is easy to clean and designed for everyday use. Number 4. Ninja Foodi DZ550. The best air fryer we've tested is the Ninja Foodi DZ550. It's a 10.1-quart, dual-basket model that can handle anything from solo meals to family-size feasts. Thanks to its roomy baskets, powerful fan, and high maximum power draw, this air fryer produces great-quality air-fried food, resulting in crispy, golden brown chicken wings, vegetables, and fries. It preheats and cooks quickly, too, so you don't have to wait long for meals and snacks. It's also quite versatile, with a wide range of temperature and fan speed settings, as well as 6 preset cooking modes. Additionally, it maintains a stable temperature while cooking, so it's easy to follow recipes accurately. One of this air fryer's main selling points is the ability to use different settings for each basket, so you can prepare a main and side dish simultaneously, and even use Ninja's Smart Finish feature to have them finish cooking at the same time. It's also equipped with a temperature probe that automatically monitors the internal temperature of meats, like steak or a whole chicken. Like most other Ninja air fryers, its crisper trays have a ceramic nonstick coating. This is more difficult to clean by hand compared to conventional nonstick coatings, but it may be a pro if you avoid PTFE materials due to health concerns. Number 5. Ninja Pro AF141. If you don't need 2 baskets to cook in, consider the Ninja Pro AF141, a 5.1-quart single-basket air fryer with enough capacity to cook for 2 to 3 people. It doesn't fry quite as evenly as the previous picks, so you risk having more of each batch over or undercooked. Still, it produces good results, leaving most of your food crispy. It also cooks very fast, making it an excellent option for quick snacks. While it's less versatile than the Ninja Foodi DZ071, with a narrower range of temperature and fan speed settings, it still offers 4 distinct functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Although this air fryer has the smallest capacity among our recommendations, it has a roomier basket than most similar capacity options, so there's plenty of surface area to arrange food in a single layer for better results. Just like the other Ninja models listed here, its crisper tray has a ceramic nonstick coating instead of the more common PTFE. Meet the powerful and versatile Ninja 4-in-1 Air Fryer Pro, designed to deliver crispy, delicious results faster than traditional cooking methods while using little to no oil. Powered by advanced air crisp technology, this high-performance air fryer circulates superheated air up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit around your food to create the perfect golden crispy finish on everything from French fries to chicken wings. Enjoy all the flavor and crunch of fried foods with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional deep frying, making it an ideal choice for healthier everyday cooking. That's the list: 5 game-changing air fryers for 2026. But here's the secret: the best one for you depends on your kitchen and your budget. All product links, including exclusive 2026 discounts, are waiting for you in the description below.